I am proud to say that today is the first day that we have actually been able to pull her out of her stall and saddle her up and hop on with no warm-up and go out and start our trail ride. So we will see how this goes today. Well, 2 gates later and a phone call, we are getting ready to head out onto our latest adventure. Phone call scared her a little bit, but people always call it the most pristine times. Anyway, so we're getting ready to head back into the deep country. See you soon. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a deer up there sitting there looking at us. Probably can't see it with the sunshine. Hey, Allie. Anyway, she took pretty good, didn't spook at the deer. We're not perfect yet, but we're sure getting closer. Oh, the nice thing about all the rocks is it definitely teaches them where to put their feet. Not much left of our creeks. She's doing good. Doing pretty good. Haven't had any problems yet. As you can see, we've got her on a nice loose rein. She's not being silly or anything. Oh, I wonder if the cows are out today. Nope, I don't see any over here. She's looking though. Time for a water break.